The small friend formula for adding 2 is equal to plus 5 minus 3. It can also be written as minus 3 plus 5. Let's learn about this formula with the help of a few examples. 24 plus 2. Now 2 cannot be added directly, and we know that the big friend formula for adding 2 is plus 10 minus 8. We do not have 8 beads here to subtract, so we will seek help from the small friend formula for adding 2. Plus 5 minus 3. Answer is 26. 67 plus 3. Now 3 cannot be added directly, so you will always think in a sequence. If a number cannot be added directly, first you will think about big friend formula. So the big friend formula for adding 3 is plus 10 minus 7. We can do that. Add 2. Add 2 more. Add 2 more. Now we don't have enough beads to add 2 directly, and the big friend formula for adding 2 is plus 10 minus 8. That cannot be used here, so we will take help from the small friend formula. Plus 5 minus 3. Answer is 76.